Let's go!
Hello everybody, it's me, CGMF here, back with another video, since 1 month ago. It's been a while since I last posted, and so I decided to come back making videos. And today we're going to be unboxing the new Sonic the Hedgehog Justice League toys. I spent $49 on these 35-inch toys. So we're gonna get started. Unboxing these 3 Justice League toys. Shall we? Alright, let's start. So we're gonna unbox Knuckles. Alright. It's really hard to get in there. It's really hard. Oh, scissors. Oh, I need scissors. Oh, alright, hold on.
Few inches later.
Alright, got back. So. It's really hard. God. There you go. Alright. Bless me. Oh, this is a bar. Alright. Out of the way. Alright, we got him. Really cool. I kind of like this. another toy. Alright, so the next one we have is Tails as Cyborg. Alright, let's unbox it. Oh, right. Oh, I already unboxed the back. Alright, I trust the mouse. Alright, I got him out. Alright, so I got him out of the box, so yeah. Alright, this looks really cool. I'm not gonna lie. Tails of Cyborg is a pretty good idea. Alright, you guys like this box. That's box out. Like that. See? So it looks like a grabber, right? Yep. Wait, his head too?
Filling the lungs inside you, and the black and eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew, restless every time we
and these two. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, it's good. Did it. Alright, did it. Oh, that too. Alright, we got Shadow as Batman. I gotta say, this is actually a pretty cool design. This, yeah, the red angle and the colors on the back of his head and the spikes, like the hedgehog. This is actually pretty cool. They changed color from red to black. Red to gray. So this is actually really good. I think it looks cool. The shoes are really nice. and then his suit, his costume, and his design looks pretty good. And so yeah, those are the things that I like. Those are the things that I really like. And there you have it, guys. That was the unboxing of the Sonic the Hedgehog Justice League of Shadow as Batman, Knuckles as Superman, and Tails as Cyborg. Now, I actually kind of wanted to do this video because I spent $49. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Like and subscribe. Peace.